Hello guys, welcome to Kanisha Coding Hub. So today's our question is the marks obtained by the five different subjects are input through keyboard where percentage greater than equals to 60 first division and thereafter percentage greater than equal to 45 and percentage less than between get less than equals to 59 second division and the percentage between the 33 and 45 got second division and less than 33 it got a failed. So write a program to calculate division obtained by the student. So first of all हमें सबसे पहले 5 सब्जेक्ट चूज़ करने हैं और इनपुट लेना है यूजर से। तो सबसे पहले इंग्लिश लेते हैं। इंग्लिश इज इक्वल्स टू फ्लोट इंट इनपुट, सॉरी फ्लोट ले लिया तो इंट क्यों लूँगा, फ्लोट फिर इनपुट, ठीक है। उसके बाद इंटर द इंग्लिश मार्क्स। Thereafter maths is equals to float input and enter the math marks. The maths marks. Thereafter we have science equals to float value it contain and thereafter input enter the science marks, and thereafter we have Hindi is equals to float input enter the Hindi marks. Okay, and thereafter we have the last one is Sanskrit. Sanskrit is equals to float input and thereafter enter the Sanskrit marks. Okay, now we have to calculate the total marks obtained by the different 5 subjects. So we have a variable named total is equals to English plus maths plus science plus Hindi plus last one is Sanskrit. So we have total, and now thereafter we have to calculate the percentage obtained by the student in the 5 subject. So we have the variable named percent per is equals to total, how much the total we have the student got. So total divided by total number of subjects we have 1 2 3 4 5, so divided by 500 into 100 into 100. So thereafter we have certain condition to calculate the divisions accordingly. So we have if percentage greater than equal to 60, then print first division, then print first division. Okay, and thereafter we have the elif, अन्यथा elif या फिर परसेंटेज जो है वो ग्रेटर देन is equals to 45, greater than is equals to 45, and between means percentage less than is equals to 59, then print second division. Okay, and thereafter elif per greater than 33 per greater than equal to 33 and less than equals to 45 per less than equals to 45, print again second division. We have no option for third division, we have first, second, and then fail. That's it. So elif, last one is elif if percentage if per less than 33, we simply print fail. We simply print fail. So we have fail. So here we have completed our program. So चेक करते हैं, इसे रन करते हैं. So here enter the English marks. So we have 85. Enter the maths marks, we have 90. Enter the science marks, we have 74. Enter the Hindi marks, we have 58.96. Enter the Sanskrit marks, we have 80. Not 80, 65. First division. So we have got a first division. Suppose if we want to print how much percentage it got, so simply we have to print we have a certain function str string. We have to print it as a string with per plus we have percentage. Okay, let's run the program and see what happened to it. So we have, please enter the marks, please enter the English marks. So we have 75, we have maths marks is 90, we have science marks is 80, and after that Hindi we have 74, and 70 last one, that is Sanskrit. So we got 77.8, which comes under greater than is equals to 60, and we have first division. So that's for today. Thank you for watching.